Look at that building.
You don't have a mask on if you are to go somewhere. Wait for it.
What is that, starfish? Is that what they call it?
Where's his eye?
Oh, look at this.
Look at that one there.
Yeah, it's this tall.
Is that for real?
Yeah, it looks like a plastic, right? Look at this. Are they sleeping? Oh, that looks shark, small shark. Wow.
I've never seen anything like that.
This long. Look, look. Oh, yes, look here at the bottom.
I would be understanding.
Oh, there's another one over there. We're looking. Oh, that looks like the snake one.
Holland is so small place. It's so the light, you know.
Wow, subhanallah.
For thousands of years, fishing has been a way of life in Canada. When the first Europeans arrived, they found water so teeming with life that all they had to do was lower a basket into the ocean and haul it up, brimming with fish. Almost overnight, Canada's abundant fish stocks were big business. Some of our earliest immigrants were fisherfolk who come to work the trade, sending tons upon tons of fish back to the old world. And along the way, they Canada's fishing industry is worth $5 billion a year. It provides jobs to 130,000 people and more than 1,500 communities.
These fish are sideways.
What do you mean?
Exports nearly $4 billion.
They're called flatfish. Look at them, they're sideways.
Oh, they're sleeping on one side?
They don't just, they swim like that. They swim sideways. Look at his eyes. His eyes are on the top, his eyes are sideways.
World stage.
Wow.
So they swim
It's
like
one
that.
eye in this side, one eye in that
Yeah,
side.
so he's just like, he swims sideways.
With new tools
He
for
lives just pretty much sideways.
environmental protection.
Look at him.
Wow, where's the other eye?
Today's fishing
I don't know.
is committed to ensuring that
Is it on the other side?
fishing way of life.
Oh, it is on the other side. Oh, this guy didn't get. He
There's
got,
only one eye?
no, he has two eyes, but he's got a little tough. Okay.
For thousands of years, fishing has
happens
been
in
a
a
way of
cage.
life in Canada. When the first Europeans arrived,
This
they
guy
found
has one
water
eye.
so teeming
Oh, he has
with
two
life
eyes.
that all they
Yeah, he
had
does,
to
but
do
like,
was
they're not- I don't
lower
think
a
they're the problem
basket
is-
into the ocean and haul it
Wow,
up, brimming with
subhanallah.
fish. Almost overnight, Canada's abundant fish stocks were big business.
Oh, this one is so quiet.
Yeah, this one
Why
is.
is it alone?
These democratic
Two.
fishermen come to
One,
one trade, sending
two.
tons upon tons of fish back to the old world.
Oh, three.
Yeah.
And along the way, they helped build a nation.
It looks scary, man.
Yeah.
Today, as ever, Canada's fisheries are a cornerstone of this country.
Oh, this is what?
Canada's
Yellowfish? What is that? Is that shrimp?
It's called fleshy sea pan.
Ew. That looks ugly. Astaghfirullah, but that's a plant or fish? That's a living thing. It's actually a living thing, wala billah. The inside they eat. This is what it's called.
Fleshy sea.
So scary, man. Oh, this is
And crab.
crab. Oh, that's a cute one. Small one. What's the small fish?
There's a huge fish right here.
Where?
Look at this. This is
Woo!
the tail. It goes in.
That scared the hell out of me, wallah billah. Oh my god, that looks like
Right?
what is that?
It's some kind of eel.
That looks like a starfish on the wall. Is he sleeping or something?
What
What?
do they feed them? I don't know.
Look how it looks like. Oh my god. On his tail. The, what they have
Flash here? I want to see if it looks at the flash.
That's lazy, man.
It's tired. Oh, Missy got it going. I think it's following the flash. This is a tired fish. I think he's dying. Well, this,
How do you know he's dying?
why is he so taban? Why is he just dropping?
It's just the middle of the night. He's tired.
Poor guy, he's definitely just passing out.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, that's supposed to.
You cannot use flash? But look how colorful this thing is. Come and see. You cannot use camera or flash. Oh my God, look here, come see. What is that? You see that? Oh, there's another one. Oh, look at his face, this guy.
What's that?
His face. It's a weird face. Oh, look at this here.
Yeah, it's a fish. It's like a human being.
I know. Subhanallah. They look so scary. Oh my God, looks like a plant.
Three curious, including Robert Ripley, a world traveler, explorer, and as known as catchphrase, believe it or not. Ripley traveled to northern parts of the globe on 2 occasions, learning about the culture and
Yeah, Kabiwa, indigenous
the
thing.
land.
This guy's a genius. This guy makes so much
Ripley
money.
saw an
Yeah.
opportunity to
You
explore
never heard of Ripley's, Believe It or Not?
Yeah.
this land
Books and all that
very
stuff.
few had access to before.
It's
The
crazy.
artifacts you see below are real and were collected by Ripley himself from
How was it? You
Alaska
travel the world, curiosity,
in the
get some places.
1930s. Believe it.
This used to be a house like that.
Wallah.
Yeah,
Subhanallah.
unicorn.
This observation if you use it to see the male narwhals in nature.
They say this fish is very aggressive.
Wallah.
This one. With the dog.
Yeah. That's why it's by himself.
Look at these photos. I feel like a underwater photographer.
At least this one's got a little bit of room, right?
Yeah. Wow, look how huge this thing is. It's a very big fish, huh? And then there's the little ones.
Look at those dancing, huh? Those two.
Yeah. see.
Oh, I'm going swimming.
Can you even swim under this? It's not allowed, right? Waa lagu cunayaa life walaa bilaa. It just like video maanta arkay geed ku dhigin. Wow. Very scary at the same time. Allah ruhi ma qanani. What is this? What is it called? Painted Tilila? Oh, that looks ugly. Oh, looks weird. See how they connected to the wall?
Yeah.
Oh, looks so scary and so weird.
Stick on the wall.
Yeah. Waa kuwii hadda aan arkaynay but different, huh?
What the hell do you feed?
They come from the top. Or they have like something, they see Diane. Like they let see right here. See the tube like that? That let it go.
This one stays in the cold water.
This one. Just the other side of what we were just looking at it, right?
Yeah. It's a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a tourist. Somebody's house like
Ah, wallah. Beautiful.
dangerous lagoon.
This is the one that under the thing. Hmm?
This reminds me of that restaurant.
Yeah.
Huh?
Under the fish.
Yeah.
I lost it.
Yeah, korkoodan ku soconaa. We are like under the water. Oh, look at this, look at this. Fish like that. Shark oo kale. It's a huge fish.
Shark was.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, look at turtle.
Get this long over this long.
Oh, here. Marani, look.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. So cool.
Welcome.
Oh,
And the mermaid, you see the color?
is it sleeping?
Emojis there.
Wow.
Oh my God.
What is it? What kind of it?
Some kind
Oh, the
of
shark. Shark is like a shark. What they call it? They call it something. Green shellfish. Oh, the turtle.
You fit off me.
How cool is this? Oh, look at the shark.
Cool, we used to have to walk. You know?
Look at the shark. Oh, look at that.
The ray fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. She died?
No, I just turned it off actually.
Oh, look at this one. Whoa, on top of you. Oh my God. Wow.
Oh, there's one there, right there. Look at that one. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
That's a big one. Oof.
Oh, that's horrific.
Oh my God, look at here, on top of you.
What's horrific about
Oh my God. Come on.
Wow.
here, come
Let me take a picture.
No, put your mask on. Oh, the dome. Oh, sorry. Could you stand here and look me too fast? Take your bag.
There's one here.
No, but the other one is humongous.
Wow, look at that.
turtle?
How big this is. Fish. Wow, oh my God.
Scary little sharks. That's what
Wow. That's a huge fish.
This is the one up to the big one you're talking about, right?
Yeah, around.
Oh, this one is the other one is coming right there.
It's too hot. Oh my God. I want to take a picture. Come, Buddha.
Wow. Hmm. You know what? It's coming. Oh, wait, wait, They were taking a picture in the
I ain't going to the beach anymore. Oh my God, that one just opened its mouth.
They want to eat me alive, you know? That's tiny. See, right there?
Wow.
There he is. There he is. Oh, that's my favorite one.
Oh man.
That's big. That's just too big. Oh, there's two of them. Look at this small one.
So you going to the beach, he'll just bite you.
Yeah, oh, he will actually take a chunk of your wherever you.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
my God.
This is unbelievable.
I gotta turn my
You see that? Oh my God.
Oh, Buddha, come see, this looks like a piece of stone.
Whoa, that's a big fish.
Huh?
He's hiding. That's a huge fish.
Grouper.
Ew. That's the only one. Oh my God, here. You see how big that shit is? Oh my God, that's huge
Oh, look
fish.
at the other one coming.
Whoa, that's not shark, but this is a huge fish. Wow. There's another one there. Oh, look at here.
Yeah, the fish.
Wow. Subhanallah.
Their tail has something very bad.
Yeah, soon. If they touch you with it, that's it, right?
Oh, yeah. I think they already cut them.
You think? That's too long as a tail.
Here.
Wow, that's big.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
It's too dark. You have to.
Oh, my God.
It's just too dark.
Can you
Whoa.
imagine?
There's like 1, 2, 3 so far. 4, 5.
Fall inside.
Oh my God, that's a lot of them. If you fall a lot inside, you're dead. You're really dead. You're gone. Oh, look, 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 look. الكيز الكيز الكيز. Oh God. That looks just too much. Look at the teeth.
Oh,
What a thing. Wow. Marani. I think they're not hungry because they're not eating the little fish. They're like fed already. Took their time. Wow.